we have got a circle that's inside a semicircle. The circle has got a diameter of 10 centimetres, the semicircle has got a diameter of 20 centimetres. We need to work out this shaded area here. Right, well, I can see that this shaded area is formed by, basically, if I was to just do the area of the semicircle, so the area of all of this, and then take away the area of the circle, that would leave me with this area, but also leave me with all of this over here. So if I just include this here, doing the area of the semicircle, take away the area of the circle, leaves me with all of this. But obviously I only want this bit, so I could then half my answer, which is what I'm going to do. That's my approach for this question. So, area of semicircle. Let's do that first. So I know an area of a circle is going to be pi times the radius squared. The radius of the semicircle is 10. You can see the diameter of the semicircle is 20, which means the radius is 10. So pi times 10 squared would tell me the area of a whole circle, and then I have to half that because it's obviously a semicircle rather than a circle. So if we do that, we don't actually need to use a calculator here, but considering we can see we're going to end up using a calculator, I may as well do that. So we've got pi times 10 squared, which is 100 pi, divided by 2, which is 50 pi. I'm going to leave it as 50 pi here. You could write it down in its decimal form, but 50 pi is exact, so that's how I'm going to leave my answer for now. Okay, so that's the area of the semicircle, so that's all of this. I then want to take away the area of the circle in the middle. So area of the circle. I was going to write small circle there, but it should be obvious. So the area of the small circle, again, it's going to be pi times the radius squared. The radius in this case, if the diameter is 10, then the radius in this case is 5. So pi times 5 squared. Notice that obviously we, in this case, we're not going to divide by 2 because it is the whole circle I want here. So it's just pi times 5 squared. And again, you can use your calculator for this, but it's going to be 25 pi. I guess 5 squared is 25. Okay, so that is the area of the little circle on the inside here. So if we take those away, that will tell me the area of the shaded region here and the area of the shaded region there. So I will then get 50 pi minus 25 pi, which is 25 pi. And then I want to divide that by 2 because, as I said, I didn't actually want this bit over here. I only wanted this bit over here. I only wanted half of it, this half, not that half. So I'm going to divide that answer by 2. So shaded equals 25 pi divided by 2. And if we do that on our calculator, because we need to give this to one decimal place, sorry. So 25 times pi is that, divided by 2. And let's get that in decimal format now. So to one decimal place, that's going to be 39.3. And the units are centimetres squared.